Holy shit. Oh my god. They're like reflective.
Are you ready to whiten your teeth?
Alright, it's been 30 minutes.
Wow.
Let me see. Holy shit.
Oh, it's so nice.
I would get that ASAP.
Nobody tells you this about yellow teeth. If the orange card is still on your screen, that means it's still available.
This Dr. Dent teeth whitening product has generated 1.5 million in revenue on TikTok Shop in the last 30 days. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why, if you're stuck under $1,000 as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to jump on this product right now. Reason number 1 is the proof. 1.5 million in the last 30 days, 107 items sold, and the average unit price is accessible to a lot of potential buyers, not to mention the reviews as well, with 3.9 average 5-star reviews out of 50,583. The risk for the person that's thinking about buying the product is greatly reduced because we can see a ton of people are happy with the results they are getting. And before we get into reason number 2, be sure to drop us a like and hype this video if you are finding value. And the second reason is high performing ad types. I'm just going to scroll down here. We can see a variety of ads, but a few things that you'll notice straight away which are key. We've got a 21-second video here that's generated 73,940. I'm going to play a few of these ads in just a second so you can get a sample of the feel and the energy and the types of ads and how easy they are to create. We've got this one here that's 39 seconds long, 17 seconds long, 28 seconds long. That to me screams bottom of funnel content. That means ads where you don't have to spend a lot of energy, where you don't have to be educating the viewer like top of funnel ads. You basically just saying, look, here's what it does. Look at my transformation. The link is below for you to buy it. Even though these videos are this short, we can see how many views they're getting and we can see how much revenue they are bringing in the last 30 days. If you look at the types of content we are seeing here, is a variety of different kinds of people, right? We've got older people, we've got younger people, which goes to show this appeals to a broad audience. And we have got also videos that are organic that are also crushing it. You'll notice some of these ads have the ad sticker on them, meaning they're probably part of the GMV Max, where TikTok is placing ad spend from the brand on some of these videos to give them a boost. Some of them are organic videos being boosted by the algorithm. This one was uploaded on the 7th of February. This one was uploaded on the 1st of April. These videos are being boosted right now in the last 30 days because this revenue came in the last 30 days. So you can see the opportunity. It's even crazier when we go on to the third reason why I think you need to jump on this straight away. Before we jump onto that third reason, I'm just going to play through some of these high performing ad types so you can get an idea of what we are talking about exactly.
They're like reflective. I probably shouldn't have already done my lips, but let's take off these white strips. See how white my teeth are? They're literally glowing white. Look. That's actually crazy. My teeth are like whiter than the lights. Holy shit. Look at that.
Whoa. Oh my god.
They're like reflective.
Are you ready to whiten your teeth? Let me see. Oh.
Yeah, I needed it. Yeah. Okay.
So to leave it on for 30 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. We just put on some eye masks. Let's do it.
Wow.
Let me see. What does it look like? Holy shit, Mom.
Yes.
I was not expecting all that.
Oh, it's so nice.
Holy shit, Mom. Oh, you ain't gonna, my teeth look yellow.
Oh my god.
I mean, my mom's teeth whiter than I expected, genuinely. These have been my favorite whitening strips recently because unlike Crest, which I'm an ex-user, these don't make your teeth hurt and zing and go clear at the bottoms because it uses all natural ingredients. The only downside about these is that they're constantly sold out. I genuinely think they have been sold out for the past month, but good thing I bulk buyed for that reason. So if you do want to give it a try and you're lucky enough to see it in stock, I would get that ASAP because they do not restock often. Good luck, guys.
So the third reason is the product type. I've already said it is a teeth whitening product, but what elements of this product can we hone into and pay attention to? For example, the first element is that it's an evergreen product. We can see the trends is going up and down all throughout the year. People are going to want their teeth to be whitened, right? And it's going to appeal to a number of people because it's affordable and it's got a huge market. It's also a low risk product. 3.9 reviews out of 5 stars. stars on average from 50,583 people is absolutely crazy. That greatly reduces the risk of the person who's considering buying and spending that money. The perceived risk is pretty much non-existent. In addition to that, we can see a younger audience, older audience, people that smoke, and people that just want to take care of themselves and look after their appearance. So this appeals to a huge, broad market all year around. And really, if you are starting out, if you are wanting to experiment and jump into a low risk product, think about it. But things get even crazier when we get to reason number 4. You don't need to show your face to sell this product. Now, majority of these, we can see these people are showing their faces, but if we look at examples like this here, I'm not going to play through the videos, but I'm just going to quickly browse through some of them. I found this creator here, Level 232, loaded their page here. Now, what they're doing is pretty clever. They are using what's called borrowed authority. Now, what this is they are clipping other people talking about teeth and the fact that teeth are the most attractive part of a person, and really just giving different perspective about a person's teeth and how that can be important in daily life. They are not showing their face in any of these videos because there's just a variety of different people in different settings that are talking about teeth here, and that ties back into this kind of product. Does that work? Here's the proof. Revenue: $8,000, $5,000, $3,000, $2,000, all in the last 7 days. With the power of TikTok GMV Max that chooses what videos to put ads on, there's no reason why ads like this cannot be selected to get those products without putting in a ton of effort. Another example that I found, this is an AI generated video. I'm just going to quickly hover over it. Some of the audio may leak through. Let me just... And you can see it doesn't take a genius to see this is an AI generated video. Victor, does it work? The proof: $31,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. So yes, not only does AI work for this type of product, but TikTok Shop is paying out for it and ads are being put on it as well. So the opportunity is there, not to mention the generous commission structure that they are offering. If I scroll up, we can see here that it's 15% commission, around $225,000 that Dr. Dent have paid out in the last 30 days alone to affiliate, both for those that are selling by video or those that are selling via other means such as live. So all of that is shared amongst all these different creators here. And once again, the fact that the choice of where the ad spend is used and who gets boosted, that is not down to Dr. Dent, that is down to TikTok Shop GMV Max. Bottom of the funnel videos, low effort, using that simple structure where you're just showing your results, reacting, letting them know where to get the product. And the reason why we know that video structure works is the content creators here that have done exactly the same thing and they've all had results. So once you see a pattern, why not experiment? Why not try that same approach while it still works, whether you are showing your face or not? If you are stuck under $1,000 per month on TikTok Shop, I've got a link in the description where you can download some resources completely free. My name is Victor. I'm a former marketing project manager, so that's where all of this insight comes from, and this is pretty much what I do on this channel as well. Feel free to grab the links in the description. I have got a community you can join as well, where I have got some additional resources and you'll have access to me directly. I'll see you in the next video.